Hola! So for today's video, we are going to prepare stir-fried manganji, peppers, and pork with spicy miso. So,
Everybody just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
these are the ingredients. About 150 grams of pork belly. Slice it into like bite size. About 250 grams of manganji peppers, or you can use other kind of peppers too if you have available, because we want more vegetables here. So we need to remove all the seeds inside. So it's ready. Oh my gosh, actually the struggle is real. It's so spicy. So we need to cut it. Okay. See. The ingredients, we have bean sauce. We have 1 tablespoon of cooking sake, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of miso. So we mix them all. Of course, sesame oil to fry. Let's mix this one, miso, cooking sake, and sugar. Now let's start cooking. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Let's put this bean sauce. You can add about 2 tablespoons, but I just put 1 because it's spicy. Belly. To add the sauce. I promise you, it smells spicy. Now you can add the manganji. In 10/10 spiciness. I'm telling you, if you love spicy, if if you're a spicy lover, this is perfect for you. Oh my gosh, it's 100% spicy. It will blow your nose and your ears.
Everybody just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be